alternating heel reach. Feet hip distance apart, arms lift it, rounding through your spine to stack down on the mat, vertebrae per vertebrae. All right, head reaches the floor last. Arms to the side, just bring your feet a little bit closer. Pushing through your lower spine, lifting off the chest like your ab prep. You're just alternating a reach towards your heels, side to side. Exhale as you reach. Inhale, return. Okay, so it's an active shortening through the side of your obliques as you reach. Keep pushing your shoulders down. My dog is having a very exciting time. Exhale to push down lower spine, lift off the chest. Again, shortening through the side of your obliques. Push your shoulder blades down as you reach your fingertips towards the heels. Exhale. And that's it. That's your alternating heel reach.